Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Namah Shivaya Shivaya Namah Om. Good evening, dear viewers. Welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the Astral Science program. August 1st, we have our first course on the English medium, English. So it will be for two batches, one in the morning between 10 to 12, one in the evening between 7 to 9. Learn this subject. It's a very excellent subject, and we are also providing with app. In 15 days you will come to know, even if you don't know astrology at all. I am completely a layman, for example. So from basics, from scratch, I can say, from zero, from astronomy, slowly I'll take you how from astronomy astrology is evolved. And basically there is no much difference between astrology and astronomy, because the earlier part of our life, during our ancient rishis, they started with astrology, and astrology was not applicable on the human affairs. Astrology was part or directly proportionate to the whatever we have the astronomy today. So over a period of time, that astrology came into the individual's life, and by the sage Maharshi Parashara. Through that, every Rishi and later on many Pandits started applying to the human life and their affairs, and found out that the planets are directly affecting the lifestyle here on the planet Earth. So for that, it requires a little bit of understanding on the astrology language, how astrology functions, and how the planet functions. So it's a very interesting subject. Anybody watching now, make a thought process, make up your mind that let me learn this divine subject so that I can apply in my life, and I can also check in the past what has happened and how accurate it is, and definitely that gives a path forward, that the events will be definitely happening because of the past experiences and the future expectations. When it matches, definitely it helps across. So one more thing, astrology is not a magic. People should actually understand this. Before I take up certain calls now, one thing I would request everybody who are watching, astrology, there are two parameters which I would like to tell the viewers. One, astrology is not a magic. Magic in the sense, suddenly if I see there is a problem, go there and do some austerity program on puja or wear some rudraksha or stone, which is actually not checked properly, and you come back. So my luck changes. No, that will not happen. Second thing, for whatever problem, people have the notion that solution is there in astrology. No, for that also it's not there. Both. If there is a problem exists, if you do some remedies, kindly don't expect remedies. Remedial measures are completely different in astrology. People, there, whatever book you read on astrology, there is no remedy given there. You buy 1,000 books across in the market. You buy any books from the store. You take from online, whatever is there. There is no remedy given in any of the books. No books. Till date I have studied close to around 800 books, approximately 800 different authors who have written and given the book. I am not talking about the remedial measures book, but in any given book based on astrology, they only pinpoint if these planets are together, these are the effect. If this is with this is the effect. If this guy is sitting in here, he will experience this. If this guy is sitting in this place, this is the effect. No books. If you take a set of around 1,000 astrology books, I can say one or two in the last page they would have given some simple remedies like chant all the 9 planets mantras, or 9 planet grains which is available, you have to donate it. That is it. Not more or not less from this. To a larger extent it might be gemstone maximum. Otherwise no book out of 100 books, I can say 98 books doesn't give any remedy. So it is already been stated that astrology is not a remedial theory. Astrology is not a remedial theory. People are not understanding this. For this reason, there is no outsider, especially outside India. They are not, many people, many intellect people, they have not embraced astrology because people are experiencing false promises. Okay, marriage has not happened. So your horoscope shows certain bad planets. You do the puja, you do homa, it gets cured. No. If that is the case, then we should have lot of success, right? We should have lot of success by just doing the austerity mentioned by few people. But what does astrology actually show? Astrology shows us the timeline. Always, dear viewers, bear in mind, astrology shows only the timeline. And at the same time, the strength of the timeline also should be seen from the astrology. It's not only the time of marriage or time of breakup or time of getting a job or time of losing a job. It's not that. What is the quality and the strength or quality and weakness of that particular subject? If there is an indication of marriage, what is the strength it is indicating? If the person is getting a good partner, medium partner, or somewhat little bit bad partner, it all indicates that also, though there is an indication of marriage. Astrology gives you the timeline with the quality. This has to be seen. The quality is based on your birth timing, birth date, birth year, and the place you are born, where the planets are already been predestined. So as the dasha system goes by, it will slowly reveal all the inbox of your life, what is there. So based on the inbox, that is what you experience. To reduce the bad experience, some dana which will give you effect of around 20-25%, some kind of a soothing will happen. If it's a good time to enhance it, you wear rudraksh, you wear gemstone, you chant the mantra. There is little bit more, you can ask for more, little bit more based on the bandwidth of the given scenario. So finally, I would say that astrology is not a place of remedy, complete remedy, I can say, complete remedy. Astrology is primarily a indicator of timeline. Secondary, the quality and the strength or weakness of the event or the timeline. That's it. To know this, Nakshatra Nadi helps you. When is the timeline? What is the quality? Good, bad, ugly. What is the strength? What is the weakness? So what is the opportunity we can get within that strength and weakness? And what are the threats from all this? If we marry post that, all 360-degree analysis can be done. This is what is the beauty of astrology. People have taken this subject in a very wrong way, or I predominantly I can say that understood in a very different manner, because most of the books wherever astrology authors have written, they have never mentioned any remedy part, and they have never mentioned that for this problem there is a cure, for this problem there is a cure, nothing. They only mentioned combination and the result, combination and the result, placement and the result, placement and the result based on the birth of a given individual. So based on this, you people make a call to learn this subject and understand this subject, adopt this subject in your life and lead a wonderful life. What comes, we can manage it. What comes, doesn't come, not to worry. What is there, we can live with it. That is what astrology teaches us. It's not that, okay, do I have Raj Yoga? What does Raj Yoga do? that dasha comes in your lifetime, then it gives the yoga. If there is lot of yogas in your chart, so if that dasha doesn't turn up, so what is the use? If there are very very good Raj Yogas, many Raj Yogas are there, many people call for Gajakesari Yoga, Budaditya Yoga, Vasumati Yoga, Panchamohapurusha Yoga. Those yogas involved by few planets, if they come before your requirement, for example, you are around less than 18 years old, where you can't go for a job, where you can't earn money, where you can't go and buy a big car, no use. Before 18, if the planetary position operates, which are in a very powerful yoga, no use. You might do well academically, but the next dasha might not be well, which is not involved in a yoga, might proceed in your job or business or your requirement period. If there is a very powerful yoga where there is affluence, where there is more money, where it states enjoyment, which comes after 60 years, even that is also bad. So the yoga mentioned should always be between, especially yoga means enjoying royalty, enjoying royal disposition, between 25 to 45. This is the golden period. Before that, we all report to our parents and we are under the guidance. Before 25, I can predominantly say we are under the pressure, or we are under the guidance, or we are under the direction, or we are under the receiving end from our parents. 25 onwards, there is some sort of a individuality which begins what to do. It also indicates after 25 how is your entire strength, your job, your finance, your business, your married life, marriage, and everything will get over by 45. 25 is what and 45 is what is the end. The start is at 25, end is at 45. Post that, what is there? After 45, what do you worry about? Handholding it, that's it. At 45, very rarely few people worry about still not married. That is the most people after 45, nobody will worry why you are not married, nobody is bothered, and that is discarded. After 45 also, if you plan to build a house, that time also okay, to some extent okay. After 45, if you have not made money, just look out that there is money coming in, but that will only help for the family, not for myself to enjoy or do something. So this 25 to 45 is a golden period where everybody needs to look at their chart and draw a line how beautiful my life is between 25 to 45, which is the most important life for my career, my job, my business, my finance, my marriage, my childbirth, and including the health and the travel, whatever we do between 25 to 45. So here our Nakshatra Nadi helps in a very large extent. That is why after 50-55, even if I say to learn astrology, they only say most of my events which was required earlier is over. I have to just learn this Nakshatra Nadi for just understanding and for fun. Apart from that, I can't apply at this 40, 55, 60 age. There might be, I can study and apply to my son or daughter and just check what is happening there, but I don't have that much of enthu to learn that and apply it. But as a subject I can learn. But this subject is a very, very fantastic subject for the youth, those who complete plus 2, our second PUC, what we call. Post plus 2, it's a life changer thing for most of the people, and joining a graduation is just deciding your bread and butter, what you are taking. Till second PUC, it's only a competition. Post that, what you take, it's only your bread and butter, what you are going to do in the future life. So that is the beauty of this subject. I would suggest you make a call. August 1st we have our classes, you can enroll for it, and don't have a single iota in your small iota of your mind, some kind of a doubtfulness, that in 15 days can we learn. I will make sure that everybody learns in the proper way. They concentrate, they understand, and they apply, and they practice in the right way. So that I will definitely ensure, because I have trained more than 12,000 students plus, and it's still growing. And they have understood their life first, application, taking care of the remedial measures, that is part of life, but they have understood what is there, what is not there. That is the primary part. This helps you to shape up your life, not to bother about what is not there. Bother more about what is there and develop it, so that which is not there, not to bother about that. That is what is the complete gist of this Nakshatra Nadi. So let me say, take up some call, and I will show you how it comes in our app and what question they are asking. Based on that question, we can definitely help them out. Namaste.
Hello.
Good evening.
Namaskar Guruji.
Namaste. Yeah, tell me.
I am calling from Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me.
Just now, whatever information you gave, I totally agree with it, sir. It is 100% true.
Correct, no, sir?
Yes, I agree. Totally agree.
Is there any
Whatever-
remedy, sir, in astrology? Is there any remedy?
Yeah, remedy means.
No, I'm not asking. I'm asking a direct question, not a kind of a it might or might not, it may for some people. No, direct. For every problem, is there a remedy? For every problem?
No, we cannot change the problem, but we can.
Alter.
Effect.
See, alteration can be done.
Only effect. Yeah, that thing can be done.
Okay, if somebody's marriage is delayed, we
Yes,
can
yes.
only say that, okay, chant this mantra, you will have a smooth mind or a calm mind.
Yes, yes, sir.
Because people
I
have the
totally agree.
tendency, that's what I'm telling, 25 to
Yes,
45, golden period.
Yes, sir.
By 27 they had to marry, it goes to 28, pressure mounts.
sir.
Go to 30, pressure mounts. Go to 35, gone case.
Yes,
Post 35,
100%.
choose what you get.
Yes.
Post 35, choose what you get. If you don't choose, leave it. That's it. I'll be like this. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is actually I talked to you one week back only in this channel only.
Okay, yeah, great.
Yes, sir. Actually, regarding business, I had asked that time, and you had suggested 3-4 businesses. But actually, my personal interest is to start a small hotel business. So regarding that, you have to guide me, sir.
I'll go for Prashna Shastra.
Actually, I have date of birth also.
Then I'll go for Prashna Shastra because it is related to one subject. Prashna Shastra will definitely help. If there is 2 and 4, definitely
yes,
I'll suggest to take up hotel business. 2 or 4
sir.
combination hit in the Dasha.
Okay. Sir, and another thing, right now I don't have money. My father's land is there. After selling some small portion of land, that time I can get money. After that only I have to plan regarding that.
That's a different plan. Let us apply this today or tomorrow after getting. Is this feasible? That's what I look at. Okay? 1 to 249 number.
Sir, my number is 7.
7. Let me look at business. What it shows. What indication it shows.
Particularly hotel business, a small hotel.
Yeah, 4 or 2 should come. Let me see.
Okay.
Sandasha and 2021 December Guru. Yes, it is coming, sir.
Means I don't bother if the profit is less. But just for a
100%
start.
food business. Yes.
Because there will be land in our name only.
Yeah. You will be doing, sir. You will be doing. Nothing to worry. Yes.
And
Second
okay,
house
sir.
is the house of mouth, sir. It's a very simple thing. Second house means first house is me.
Yes,
2 means mouth.
Okay.
So you are feeding the mouth. That's it. Feeding to the
and
mouth.
it will be located out of Bangalore, not in this place. Out of
Anywhere,
Bangalore
sir.
only.
Anywhere.
Where that land is there, no, there only it will be located.
But less profit. That you have to mind. Less profit.
Okay, I can manage that.
But not loss.
Just for
There
a
is
start.
no loss
Okay,
because
okay.
12 is loss, 11 is profit. But 11 and 12 both are not there because you can aram say marriage. You can whatever passion you have, you can complete it.
Okay.
Next, whenever you get your money, you have some problem in financial thing. Please learn Nakshatra Nadi. Good luck. Next, Namaste.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
Guruji, my name is Amisha.
Yeah, tell me, Amisha.
I wanted to ask about my career. I'm trying for government job. Like 1 year full, I have taken IAS and KS coaching.
Okay.
So whether should I try for government jobs or should I try for IT companies? I just wanted to ask.
Okay. Tell me your date of birth.
1/11/94.
Time of birth.
12:51 p.m.
Place of birth.
Bhadravati near Shimoga.
For any combination for IAS,
Huh.
1, 6, 10, 11 should come. 1, 6, 10, 11 in the Dasha Bhukti Antarbhukti. 1, 6, 10, 11. And lot of line 2, line 1 we should have 10 and 11 to win that. Let me look at the possibility of government job based on the Kaspal methodology. Kaspal methodology is giving you government job. It doesn't specify whether IAS or KS. It's an indication that you are destined to get a job, but it's not guaranteed. But we have to go to the combination. What is the current combination? Currently you are running Rahu Dasha. Till 2023 Venus is running. Let us see at Rahu 10-10, Venus 9-9. 9 is not strong. Then again Sun not strong. Moon not strong. Mars weak. Mercury little bit strong. Only the Dasha is strong. We cannot rely only on the Dasha. The Dasha is just an indicator that it's very good. Only this guy is very good. Others are all just very bad. 9th house, 10th house ka loss hai. So you will be almost going near and losing it out. You are almost going near and losing it out. Whatever time you go, this one. But I can suggest you go for smaller government jobs. So not in a very high cadre like IAS or UPSC. Not UPSC. Normal railways, normal commerce, normal institution where it is tied up with government. Only that will help you. So Jupiter is strong in this. So Jupiter is also strong, but it is also with 3 and 12. Quite difficult. There is an indication, but the indication is not actually fulfilling with other criteria. I feel that my final suggestion is to go to IT. So I am not finding any easy path. I am not finding any easy path to get through the government job, but predominantly the 9th house shows travel outside. So take up IT, go abroad, and also you are running Rahu, which promotes outside travel. Even Rahu has got 3-9-12 combination. You will succeed if you go outside India. You will make lot of money. At least if you leave Karnataka and work elsewhere in Tamil Nadu or Andhra or even Delhi or Mumbai, that also will give you lot of profitability. Final suggestion, get into IT. Don't waste your time. Namaste. Namaste. So I was also already telling you what is the benefit. So kindly make up your mind, dear viewers. Welcome to the fantastic subject. Those who are very new, they might see this program little bit. Those who are seeing at the first time, little bit different. But this is a very wonderful, advanced astral science, highly advanced astral science, where they don't tell anything about the doshas because doshas are not there. We don't talk about Sadesati because Sadesati is not there given in any books. It is just come recently in last 10-15 years from somewhere. Even there is no Mangalik dosh. Even Mangalik has been what I can say generated or discovered or invented from North India. It was not at all there in South India. So astrologers' voice are quite less. There is huge voice from the other area that they are talking about Mars Kuja Savai Dosha or Mars Dosha. So it has become a household dosham, where every house will have a Mars dosha or Kuja dosha or Savai dosham, whatever they call it for us. Okay, let us take up one more call. Namaste.
Hello, namaste sir.
Namaste, yeah, tell me.
I want to know about my son's career, whether he will get a government job.
Tell me the...
Okay, his date of birth is 11/2/1996.
Time of birth?
The time of birth is 8:14 a.m.
8:14, 1-4.
1414.
Time of birth?
Place of birth is Palakkad, Kerala. Palakkad, Kerala.
Palakkad, Kerala. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kumbha Lagnam,
Yeah,
Aquarius ascendant, and the moon sign is Libra with Swati Nakshatram.
Swati Nakshatra.
Currently he is running with Guru Dasha, excuse me, and it is getting over by next year, May. After that Saturn is coming across. What is the question?
About his career, sir, whether he will get government job or whether he will go for foreign.
Okay, let me look at the cusp. Government job, the 6th house is the Venus, and Venus here is in the nakshatra of Saturn, quite difficult. Moon Rahu, quite difficult. And Venus, no, government job is quite difficult, though secondary house 12 is there. More 12 denotes that he will be very good if he goes abroad. And here the dasha which is running, which has just will be starting from next year, will be Saturn. Under Saturn dasha, Saturn bhukti, next year October, when the Mercury comes, which is also showing the 12th house, he will go abroad. So he can do very well in management. He can do very well in management because more 10s are there. MBA, management of any company, he will excel. So post next year October, he will excel. So I would suggest let him learn this subject. He can come to know each and every combination, how it comes and when to apply, how to go. So all the parents should recommend their children to learn this Nakshatra Nadi so that they can apply what is in store in their astral signs for their beautiful life. Otherwise, I just said this, if you keep on going searching for government job and lose out good opportunity, the loser is whom you can decide. Okay, let us have a small break and come back. Okay, welcome back. Let us have the next call. Good evening. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Namaste,
tell me.
Guruji.
Yeah, namaste.
My name is Rukmini.
Yeah, tell me.
I want to ask about my married life.
Okay.
I want to go for Prashna Shastra, Guruji.
Okay. Tell me a number from 1 to 249.
9, Guruji.
9. Married life is not good
Yes, Guruji.
because whenever there is 7th house Kaspal retrograde, it is not good. Will it completely destroy? Let me look at that part. Saturn,
Is there
Venus.
any
Saturn 6 and 10
possibility
is
of
there,
reunion?
Shukra 9 and 10 is there. Okay, let me look at the dasha what is coming across. Sun till 25. Sun is giving 3-5, 1-2-7. The hit is 2-4. Married life is is having a problem, but there is no divorce combination.
It will unite, Guruji.
It's
Because
not the
it's
question of
already-
uniting. Problem will be there, but we will be living together. That's it.
It is in court from past 2 years, Guruji.
It will keep on dragging. They might also withdraw, but you will be living the same scenario. There is no 6-10 combination. What do you want to happen?
Whether reunite will happen.
Naturally it is quite difficult because Sun Dasha is going across, then Moon will come, again 311 is there, again there is reconciliation which will happen off and on, they tell you reconcile till 25. So what do you want? You want to discard this? I can suggest you 6 is not there at all here, 1 is there, 2 7 11, 2 7 11. So what is your age?
My age is already 38, Guruji.
38. How long you people had married?
2018, 3 years over.
Uh-huh. Okay. So you want this marriage to be saved?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Where one 8-face Rudraksh?
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And one wear one green color thread.
Mm. Green color thread.
Yeah, to the right hand wrist, 5 to 6. Okay. Then apply turmeric powder to your forehead. Okay. Donate rice. All this thing has to be done, and chant this mantra. Om Satpatim Dehi Parameshwara, unlimited. Om Satpatim Dehi Parameshwara. Things will turn around, but it will not be so strong, because Kaspal is telling that retrograde means no, it will be a problem, married life will be a problem, but it will keep on dragging because of all these bhuktis, 211 showing, it will keep on push-pull methodology. Learn this subject, you can know better what to do next. Next, Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
This is from Chittoor, Guruji. I wanted to ask about my sister.
Yeah.
Date is 22/1.
22/1.
Sorry. 10/4.
10 April.
1998.
Time?
Evening 4 p.m. Place is Kesavati, Chitradurga.
Question.
About the marriage, Guruji.
As I always tell dear viewers, see the golden time, 23, 24 to 35. After 35 nobody is bothered. In this 10 years, many people will visit astrology, and you can know the rest is all stories.
Yes.
Everything is time bound, Rahu Dasha. But 23, no, why are you worrying, sir, so soon? Rahu Saturn. Rahu is giving 6/6. Oh, quite difficult. Saturn 8/8. No, sir. Here there is a issue. Saturn 8/8. 1, 6, 10, 12. Career-oriented horoscope. She should be in job. If she is not in job, ask her to be in job. I don't know why you are not able to hear me. Hello, sir.
Tell me, Guruji.
Oh, you are sleeping.
No. Tell me, Guruji.
She has to be in job.
No, she's in home, Guruji. She's not trying job.
If she is in job, the intensity of the issue reduces. If somebody is having 1, 6, 10 combination, predominantly to have a reduction in the problem in married life, she has to go to any job, whatever she has learnt. Okay, she has graduated, right? They are not in a way to discuss. What can I do? Okay.
Hello?
Next. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Tell me.
I need to ask about my brother's marriage life.
Mhm.
We are searching for a girl. 27,
Hmm.
9,
Okay.
19, 92.
Time?
7:30 a.m.
Place?
Amrutur.
Which place?
Amrutur, Kunikal Taluk, Amrutur.
Tandal will not come here. Kunigal will come.
Okay.
Taluk level. Okay. Virgo Lagna, Virgo Rashi. Tell me.
Yes, we are planning for marriage.
Rahu has just completed. Rahu had got only 7, 2, 7, 9 combination. Let us see the hit theory. 9 and 1. From Rahu, Jupiter has transferred. Again 12 and 4 is there. He is not much interested in marriage.
No. He interested in marriage, but we are not getting right girl.
Oh, what is right gut? Please explain me in detail. Let us everybody listen it. Please explain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the right gut?
Not like that.
Ah.
Right gut means Jack. Oh.
Horoscope matching.
Huh.
Oh, that is the major criteria. If everybody matches horoscope, everybody life will be good. Nobody is in court now today after matching.
No.
So how do you
We are-
match? Okay, tell me
we
how
are-
do you match?
We are
How to match? If you get out of 36 point, if you get 33, they are the best match.
No, sir. We are. I'm asking when he will marry. In 2
If the
months.
combination is not showing at all, 4 house doesn't show interest at all. It's a interest on the mouth, not on the heart. Okay.
Okay.
People might say, I just look out, look out. Okay, tell me one thing, honestly, from when you people started looking out for alliance? From which year? Honestly, you have to tell.
From 2 months.
Only 2 months. Before that?
Yeah. No. We are not in started.
Because he is at 29 age, right?
Yes, sir.
Was there any reason why it was not started earlier or?
No. We have younger brother also. We married soon. That's why we didn't started for him.
Okay. My job is to tell what is the timing. That's all, but quite difficult.
Some remedy?
September to January, very small chance. But this combination is not so strong for accepting who comes 4th house. That's the only case here. Let it be 2 months or 2 days or 2 hours. This will not lead to a good marriage. One was there, Rahu, it will not lead here also. Remedy. Secondary level, let me look at the remedy. Secondary level, 4, 7, 12, 1, 2, 9. One is with Venus, no remedy. It can't give, highly difficult. Wear 5-face Rudraksh, that is only option. Okay. Next year by March, you people can try. Namaste. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Very good evening, Guruji.
Good evening. Yeah, tell me.
I'm calling from Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me.
My birth date is 23rd
23rd, okay.
23rd November
November.
2005.
Time?
Time 10:55 p.m.
Place.
Sorry, sir.
Place of birth.
Bangalore.
Question.
My question is actually in April around this year only. We had to come to Chikbalapur, our native. Then in May, my grandma got critical and she passed away, sir. So what happened was we had to stay here for another month or so we could go back to Bangalore later. But what has happened is we've been stuck here for a while now, and it's a very remote place. So there's no that much people around here, so we could talk to them or something. It's just my mom, me, and my sister. And my father were actually like stuck in this place, and my father does not seem to understand that we want to like go back to Bangalore.
So I can't take your chart. Let me go for a question. Okay, Prashna Shastra.
Okay, sure.
Kindly tell me 1 to 241 number.
21.
Okay, let me look at going back on the property front. So, which is your actually hometown? Is that a village where you are staying or Bangalore?
My hometown is the village I'm staying right now, Chikbalapur.
So, okay, your father native, everything is Chikbalapur. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes.
So, let me look at the Sun Dasha till 2021 November Jupiter. Sun 1-4, Jupiter 1-1. Okay, it's a very simple answer. The combination 1-1 is a ego issue, that's it. There is no problem in the planetary positions. Planetary positions can take it at any point. Lot of ego is there. I don't want to go, I want to settle, I am happy here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's not understanding that it's taking a toll on our mental health. It's really suffocating without people and nobody to interact with, and it's really, you know, sort of a lonely environment here. And it's
He
taking
will
a
only
toll.
change his mind post October next year.
Oh, okay.
Mercury has to come. Till that time, you people have to suffer. Okay.
Until October.
Yeah, yeah. It's a simple thing. See, I have Sun and Jupiter running. Let me see Jupiter, which is showing any 2 or 4 change of place, 1 and 1. Ego is running.
Okay.
Next, there is Saturn, which comes till October 2022. Let us see Saturn. Saturn is also showing 1. There he makes up little bit of mind. Okay. That will complete where you're asking for to go for a different place where there is travel of 9 and going to a home that comes in Mercury. So next year October he will all take you and come back to your Bangalore position.
Bangalore.
Okay.
Really taking a toll on like our mental health, my studies. I'm not able to focus because there's argument about this every day.
So what is the best remedy? I will just figure out.
Okay, sir.
To travel from that place, there is no 3-5 combination which is showing. Sun is having 2-3. It's theory of 4. So ask your mom to wear a red thread
Okay.
and chant this mantra.
Okay.
Om Lakim Lakim. Your father name.
Okay.
Shigram. Shigram.
Okay.
Stalam.
Okay, sir.
Uchatanam.
Okay.
Dehi Dehi Swaha. Just to get out from this place. Uchatanam means get out from this place. All you 3 people have to chant this morning 108, afternoon and evening. This is a very powerful mantra where you can use this to help it out. Okay? Good luck. Namaste.
Hello.
Good evening. Yeah, tell me, madam.
Good evening. This is. Can you speak to astrologer Ganesh?
Yeah. Tell me. Tell me,
Hello?
madam.
Namaste.
Namaste. Tell me,
Hello?
madam, I am able to hear you. You don't waste the time, please. Be fast.
Sir, my daughter's date of birth is 1388, 3:25 p.m.
Last time also you have spoken,
Chennai.
right? I have this voice somewhere heard.
Hello.
Okay, 13.
1388,
Okay.
3:25 p.m. Chennai. Yeah, but that time I couldn't ask something.
Okay, you are keep on asking free here.
88.
You can join the class and ask, right?
Yeah.
And this should be your
that
last
I will
call,
do.
okay, here. Allow others to call here, okay?
Okay, sir. Sorry, yeah.
This is the last, okay? Don't call free here. I would
Yeah.
like to take more people here. So there is a wonder. This is the program for classes, okay?
Okay,
And I
sir.
suggest
Okay.
you to push your daughter to join this class and learn this class, okay?
Okay.
One side, one time, okay, to get it. Any people who are just calling for a second time, please bear in mind, give other people chance. Lot of people tell me that I'm not getting any chance, I'm not getting any chance. Yeah, what is the question again? The same question on your daughter.
No, sir. The question is, if they are getting separated, will my daughter have a chance to get second marriage?
Shukradasa
Can you
2-2.
give the date of birth? 1388.
I think I would have suggested that separation is quite difficult. Hello? Madam,
Hello.
I had informed the planetary positions separation is quite difficult. I would have told. Okay, but still, Sun Dasha which is going to come after 2024.
And,
Ninth
the
house
boy,
is the...
whether my son-in-law, the boy will be getting a job abroad, sir?
Yeah, definitely. Ninth house shows the marriage, not to worry.
11/7/83. His date
Yeah.
of birth is 11/7/83. 9.
Okay. 2024 onwards, you will get it. Okay? Good luck. Next. No astrologer. I am telling you, this is a warning for all the people who tell free astrology. They will be bound with negativity. people say that please tell me free. Okay, this is just a matter of understanding my subject. Many people who come on the program, TV program, on that call you can take it as, but if you go call them, nobody will be, because the Shastram has been learnt with lot of difficulty with many people, and this Shastram has been applied with good austerity. If you want some remedy, pay it and ask it. Nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. I might be wrong on the screen, but I am speaking the truth. I am speaking the truth. You will have a clear mentality. One or two, okay. Somebody asked, I want to come back here. That's a small thing where you can tell. If it's a bigger, major issue, not a right approach. Okay. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, namaste.
I would like to go with the Sankhya Shastra.
Yeah. It's not Sankhya Shastra, Prashna Shastra.
Prashna Shastra, okay.
Yeah.
27.
Question.
Regarding my job. I am jobless now because of the COVID and salary deductions. I left the job.
Okay.
So,
Let me see at the Antarbhukti when the job prospect is there. Till July 30 Venus is there. Till August Sun is there. Let me look at Venus combination 9 and 10. Sun combination. Venus is also having 6, 10, 11. This month end you will be getting offer.
will I get the job of the previous company only?
I don't know. That and all cannot be seen. No, wrong. Somebody is telling, they are bluffing you. Astrology will have lot of limitations. It only tells the job opportunity time, whether the old company or the new company or whatever it might be. You will be in job by this month end. Some or the other, you will get an offer. Okay? I can never tell that where you get. Somebody telling that you will get in old, they are justly bluff masters. Next. Namaste. Namaste. Good evening. Kindly reduce your TV volume. Namaste.
Hello.
Tell me, sir. I'm waiting. You're talking here.
Hello.
Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, see.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, tell me, sir.
My date of birth is 31 7
Okay.
1997.
Time.
31st 7 1997.
Time.
Hello. Time 7:19 a.m.
Place.
Place Kumta, KUMTA, Uttar Kannada district, Karnataka. KUMTA.
Question.
Question. I have lot of problem, please. Since 13 years.
Specific problem.
No job.
Okay, then what is the other problem?
No.
When there is no job, no money.
No money. Yes.
But you are already 45 years, right?
Yes.
You are 45 years.
Yes. Please.
45, huh?
Yes. 43 years.
43 years.
Yeah.
I think you have told your year of birth wrong. 1977.
1977.
Yeah.
1977.
Okay.
31st July 1977.
Okay, right. Let me take this up and close here. 43 years. Okay, done.
Okay.
From 2003 till 2019, let me see 6, 9, 11, 5, 10, 4, 11. Okay, the combination of 5, 10, 5, 9, 10, 5, 9. You have lost lot of opportunity, sir. You have lost lot of opportunity. I think this doesn't have any answer. Okay. Now the dasha is bad, which is going on. 7, 8, 12, 7, 8, 12. But this dasha was very good for 16 years. Now it is bad. It's not from 13 years.
So I am very bad position, please.
What were your work you are doing earlier? From last 20 years?
I do some volunteer work in some other places, Mysuru and Mangaluru.
What work?
In the
Interior work.
yeah.
Acha. Why now do
Ayurvedic hospital.
Okay, work there. But lot of demand is there for Ayurvedic, right? But why are you not able to get through? Okay, I'll give a mantra. Don't worry. Just donate wheat for every Tuesday. The combination is excellent. I don't know. He doesn't have anything, he says, then again he says Ayurveda job. Okay, you get a job 6th house. Wear one moonstone to your right hand ring finger. Just chant Om Som Somaya Namaha. Okay, so kindly I would request all the viewers, if you have one question, kindly try, because a lot of people call here. We get huge call here, and sometimes the same person keep on asking the same question in a different way. So it doesn't augur well for them also. So because I can understand, the moment you give any chart, I can relate that this question has been answered earlier, the same date, month and year. So always I would suggest to give more people the opportunity to understand the subject. Through understanding the subject, let them start thinking that let me also learn the wonderful subject, and this subject is a truth subject. Finding out the truth of yourself. What is there, what is not there. It is nothing that somebody has to see and tell you. That days are gone. That kind of reality days are not there nowadays. We are in the Kali Yuga, where whatever the learned, so-called learned would talk about your life, that is not the case as of today. It is completely a paradigm shift, where many people have not learned this subject 360 degree. They know here and there and predicting here and there, and people also taking here and there. There is no complete 360 degree analysis and telling them this is what is there, not there, what to do. So I would suggest those who are interested to learn this subject, so that you people can start spreading the reality astrology. And this is not a difficult subject. This is a very easy subject. It's only application which you have to see. Just apply and see what is the combination, and the app what I am providing will always throw everything what light is into. Okay, good luck again. We'll catch up tomorrow evening. So good night once again. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.